YouTube, ITNinja123 here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to install Ubuntu 14.04 long-term support on your Windows-based PC. Alright, there are a few things you're going to be needing. You're going to need a blank DVD, a few programs which I will show you how to get. So ImageBurn, you go to imageburn.com, I'll have the link down in the description below, and you just click on the mirror and download it. Click save. Once that's downloading, it should be downloading there. Go to ubuntu.com. I'll have the link down in the description below also for that. You want to click on desktop. Once that's done, you want to click on get Ubuntu now. And once that's finished loading, it says choose your flavor. Just choose 64-bit if you have, a good enough computer. Click download. So I have a bit of a cold at the moment. If you don't want to donate, which I didn't, just click not now, take me to the download. And then you click download and it says thank you for downloading Ubuntu desktop, and the download should start. You click save. I'm not going to do that because I already have it on my disk. So back at image drive ImageBurn, when that's done, you want to go ahead and install that. I'll show you how to do it in the video also. Alright, like that. Click next. Click agree. Then next. Yeah, whatever that says. Customize. Make sure you untick that, or else it's going to install other software which you don't want. We'll be using this program to burn Ubuntu 14.04 onto a disk. If you already have a different software to do it, you don't really need to get this in. Alright, once that's done, you want to go ahead and open it up. If I can get the camera right. Yeah, you want to go ahead and get that and open it up. You want to click write image to a disk or file, and then you click that. Click where you downloaded the Ubuntu, and then you click open, and it should open it, and then you'll click the burn icon down at the bottom where I'm pointing. Since I already have it on a disk, I'm not going to do that. And yeah, it's all sweet from there, and I'll be back.
Alright guys, I'm back, and I've just put a fresh hard drive in here so I can do it from fresh. I've booted it up. I've pressed F12 repeatedly and the boot menu came up. Once it is, you want to put your disk in, let that load up for a couple of seconds, and select your disk drive as your main boot up. Once you do, just press enter on your keyboard and wait for it all to load up. And you should see this once it's all done. If you see this purple screen, it probably doesn't look purple right now. If you see this purple screen with that, it means it should be working. You should hear the disk, reading away. Should say Ubuntu, and it should start loading up the installer. Alright, once it's all started up, you may, if you have a Wi-Fi card, you may get a little bubble pop up saying Wi-Fi detected. That means it's all sweet, it's all good to go. If you just want to try it before installing it, just use the operating system off the disk. You can click try Ubuntu. But if you want to install it onto your fresh hard drive, just click install. Make sure you select your language on the left. Do your Wi-Fi if you have that. Connect to that. Just say connecting. Shouldn't take too long. Now you should get a little message there, installing connected. That means it's going all good. and then we can just click continue. You can, if you want it to be all up to date, you can click download updates while installing. I will do that, just so I have it all up to date. You can do this if you read it, install this third-party software. That's just like all plugins for MP3 and stuff. I'm just going to do that just for the sake of this video, and then click continue. Alright, now, once you get to this part, that's the next stage. You can, I've never done it before, so I'm not quite sure how that works. It says install Ubuntu alongside Windows 8. I'm just going to replace Windows 8 with Ubuntu, because this hard drive did have Windows 8 on it. So I'm just going to completely wipe the hard drive, click install now. That should start to install. Should load, you should see a little loading on your mouse pointer. And then you want to do where your location. I live in Australia, so I just click, it's already set, so I'll click continue. Choose your keyboard layout, and if you want to test that your keyboard works, just come down to this little bubble here. Yep, mine's working. I'll just do English US and English US. I'll click continue. I'll just type this in. Choose a password. 1 2 3 4 5. Oh, too short. Just do that. Continue. You can skip along if you can skip ahead if this is probably a bit boring. Yeah, it probably would be. Alright, so once all that's set up, it should go to the next page of it actually installing, and you should see this. If you're new to Ubuntu, you can get your mouse and read all this, click the arrow. It will tell you all new features and everything about it, how to use it and stuff. Music players, app centers, all that crap. Alright, so once that's done, I'm gonna pause the video and I'll come back as soon as this video, as soon as the installation is done. Alright, we are back, and it says installation is complete. You need to restart the computer in order to use the new installation. So click restart now, and it should start loading, and it should restart. Alright, once you restart, it says please remove installation media and close the disk tray and press enter. If you see any of this, the writing, do not worry, that's nothing bad. That's just part of the installation. So you just press enter on your keyboard, and then it should restart, and your computer should be on Ubuntu 14.04. Alright, so this is just telling you all your keyboard shortcuts. So let me zoom it in. Alright, it's just your keyboard shortcuts telling you like how you can get into shortcuts and stuff. Yeah, I don't know why that's not going away. Anyway, yeah, your Mozilla Firefox, that's your default web browser that comes in. That should work. Your volume should work. Everything. So, if you want to know, if you want me to do another video about how to install apps on this, like applications, like movie burners, all that kind of stuff, whatever you want, just leave a comment down below in the comment section and I'll be sure to get to you. If you have any suggestions on a video, please leave them down in the comments also, as I will respond to you and probably try and make one. So as you can see, internet's working. It's all there. Kind of is like Mac OS X. And that should be software updated there. If it's updating, if you're connected to the internet. Alright, if you like this video, please hit that like button. Comment if you want me to do a tutorial more about Ubuntu, and if you want me to do a video on how to dual boot Windows and Ubuntu, leave that down in the comments below, and I'll be sure to check that out. Alright guys, hit that like button, subscribe, share it if you like, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.